big top shot, the one I caught her.
Damn, it's exclusive.
Ayy, never send a threat on the internet just to prove a point that this and don't get into that. We leaving that to the informants. Don't inform me about who informing, that's your final warning. 7'6" to sting like a bumblebee, he start transforming. Send your homies on the drip, but they ain't never make it back. Shoot up the scat, we left it flat, he died on the impact. My shooter here, gym rat, but never mentioned till we crack. We put you where the news at, I bet his family viewed that. Slide by myself before I call it. My fingernails dirty cause I'm still a grave digger. And we ain't capping no wax if we never pulled the trigger. And goon steady putting Jimmy Glow up in his swisher. Never been the one to say today I'm the one clutching on the Drake. Make sure he don't get away or off the only thing I chase. In the full race, the back of his neck hit the ground to decay. Walk up to him, see Gray stood over, put one in his face. Murking what my soul say, I'm sliding with this throwaway. My heater for a cold day, leave in disarray. Better stay up in the house like from that's so Raven, catch that nigga walking out, we in the bushes, we been waiting. Never send a threat on the internet just to prove a point that this and don't get into that. We leaving that to the informants. Don't inform me about who informing, that's your final warning. 7'6" to sting like a bumblebee, he start transforming. See your homies on the drip, but they ain't never make it back. Shoot up this scat, we left it flat, he died on the impact. My shooter here, gym rat, but never mentioned till we crack. We put you where the news at, I bet his family viewed that. I ain't smiling on my mugshot cause I know my bun money good. I ain't miss a heartbeat, I'm out the next day, it's understood. To the Broward County police and suck my wood. First they trade, you start mugging, wishing wood. Doing donuts in the SIT, I crashed into a tree. Rolls truck the next week, money ain't to me. Riding with a full clip, but the gas tank on E. Sliding like a cruise ship, wet you up like a jet ski. Living to 103, that's the OG graping me. Auntie wanna pray for me, better pray for my enemies. Life had gave me limits, so I start clutching the limit squeeze. Had an AR-15 and 2 Glock 223s. Never send a threat on the internet just to prove a point that this and don't get into that. We leaving that to the informants. Don't inform me about who informing, that's your final warning. 7'6" to sting like a bumblebee, he start transforming. See your homies on the drip, but they ain't never make it back. Shoot up the scat, we left it flat, he died on the impact. My shooter here, gym rat, but never mentioned till we crack. We put you where the news at, I bet his family viewed that.
Happy 13th birthday to our special boy, Makai. You have come so far, and we are so proud of you. You are excellent in whatever you put your mind to, and we just wanted to wish you a wonderful and special 13th birthday.
Happy birthday, little boy. Let's get it. You're a teenager now. Let's go.
Hey, Makai. This is Grandma. Happy 13th birthday. Hope you have many more. I love you. Don't get too many girlfriends, though.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Makai. Happy 13th birthday. Love you, baby. Hope you have many, many, many more. Love you always. You ain't Helen, your Uncle Herb. Love you, baby. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Makai.
Hey, Makai. Happy 13th birthday. You're gonna get your 13 licks. Happy birthday, Makai.
Happy birthday, Makai. We love you.
Hey, Ross, Jay, G, Mace, Makai. Yeah, boy, Makai. That's what I'm talking about. Happy birthday. Happy 13th birthday. I'm so excited that you're turning 13 because that means I'm still 18. Boo, boo. I'm ready to turn up for your birthday. So you better be ready to turn up too. I love you and happy
birthday, Makai. I love you, bro. I hope you had the best day ever, the best birthday in the world. You know what I'm saying? I hope you have fun. I hope you, you know what I'm saying, do whatever you want to do. Continue to do good, and you know what I'm saying? You're getting old on us.
Happy 13th birthday, Makai. How things have changed, yo, as it got big, boy. Have a great day, and many more to you, man. I love you.
Nephew, I'm on down. It's 13. 5 more years. I'll be watching you on Sunday. Happy birthday, baby. It's your day. Enjoy it. I got my robe, my brown hat, waiting to watch you. 5 more years. Love you.
What's up, Makai? We just wanted to wish you a happy 13th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Makai. We wish we were there to celebrate your birthday with you. I hope this year is your best year ever. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, nephew.
3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Makai. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 13th birthday, Makai.
Happy birthday, Makai Ryan Ward.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jimmy, TT Vicky.
Your uncle has a special message he has to say to you.
I thought I said happy birthday.
Huh?
Can I get some milk and cookies for my birthday? Because it's yours, but I want some of your milk and cookies. You have a milk and cookies for your birthday? If you is, give me some rag cheese and bologna. Happy birthday, young man.
Happy birthday, dude. We love you.
And Precious, if you got the rag cheese, you got the rag cheese. All right, bye.
Happy birthday, Makai. 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 Happy birthday, Makai.
Don't you wanna dance with me?
No.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Makai. Happy birthday, Makai. Happy birthday, birthday. Happy birthday, Makai. Happy birthday, Makai. Happy birthday, happy birthday. I'll show you how to do it. Birthday, Makai. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real gamer versus gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus gamer, Avengers League, birthday and social club.